Okay. Hi, good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, I explained lesson 4. Who did Anil's homework? Right? Anil did not like to do his homework. So he said it was boring. Then instead of writing the homework, he played cricket, carom and video games. Then he played till in the evening. Then what did he do? What did he do? He did not write his homework. He hated his homework. So his teachers told him, you have to study at the home. Understand? Otherwise, if you are not studying, you will not get anything. So who said? The teachers said. So even he did not answer questions in class or in the exams. So one Diwali day, he saw his pet dog was playing with Jackie. Jackie is a pet dog, isn't it? Then what did he do? Actually, this dog was playing with this doll. When he came there, so he saw that Jackie was playing with something. Understand that doll. So what did he do? He went near Jackie. Then he took suddenly or he snatched from Jackie. Then he saw there actually it was not a doll. Understand? So that instead of that doll, what was there? So it was not a doll at all. Understand? But a man of the tiniest size. Right? Tiny person. Then after that, so what did he say? This tiny person said to our Anil, this tiny person told Anil, you save me from Jackie. If you are saving me, I will grant you a wish. I will grant you a wish. So he promised. This tiny person promised Anil. Understand? Promised to Anil. Then actually Anil he couldn't believe how lucky he was. Then what did he say? Actually he hated his homework. He can't write the homework. He wants to play. So what he wants to play? What games? Which are the games he wanted to play? That carom. Then video games and cricket. So then what did he do? He was very happy. Who was very happy? Anil. Anil was very happy. So what he said, you have to help me. I don't know how to write the homework. I don't know. I will not write the homework. So you have to help me. Who said? Anil said to this tiny person. So he agreed. മുഖമൊക്കെ ചുളുക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് അല്ലേ ചുളുക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് അവന് ആദ്യത്തിൽ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടായിരുന്നു പക്ഷേ he agreed. Okay, then what the elf or this tiny person began to do Anil's homework. Understand? Actually this tiny person, he didn't always know what to do and he needed help. So here Anil helped him. Understand? So that he had to look up the dictionary for spellings. Then he helped the elf with addition and subtraction. Then he had to do most of the division and multiplication problems as the elf did not know the tables. So the elf did not know the tables. So he helped him. Anil helped him. Then every day in every way that the little elf was nagging, was a nag. So Anil was working very hard. Understand? Even he was staying up nights. He had never felt tired. So he was going to school with his eyes puffed and red. അവൻ ശരിക്കും ഉറക്കം നിന്ന് പഠിച്ചു അപ്പോൾ കണ്ണുകളൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ തീർത്ത് ഒക്കെയാണ് അവൻ ഡെയിലി സ്കൂളിൽ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. So last day, we know that 35 days, 35 ഡേയ്സിലായിരുന്നു ആ ടൈം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ അത്രയും ദിവസത്തെ ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിരുന്നു ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ so Anil was, you see there, the elf at last, finally, the last day of the school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. Homework ഒന്നുമില്ലായിരുന്നു, അവനെല്ലാം complete ചെയ്തു. So after that, what happened? This tiny person went out through the back door. Then Anil got very good marks. His classmates and teachers, they were surprised. Understand? So എന്താണ് അവർക്ക് ആശ്ചര്യപ്പെട്ടു. They were surprised. His parents also, they wondered what had happened to Anil. Then now he was a model kid. Understand? Then after he cleaned his room, did his tasks, and എന്താണ് അവനവൻ്റെ വീട്ടു ജോലികളൊക്കെ ചെയ്തു, മുറിയെല്ലാം വൃത്തിയാക്കി, എല്ലാം നല്ലപോലെ ചെയ്തു, നല്ലൊരു മാതൃക കുട്ടിയായിട്ട് മാറി, നല്ല ഗുഡ് ചൈൽഡായിട്ട് മാറി, അല്ലെ, ബെറ്റർ ചൈൽഡായിട്ട് മാറി. സോ അനിൽ സ്റ്റിൽ തോട്ട് he had made the little elf do all his homework. അവൻ എന്താണ് വിചാരിച്ചിരുന്നത്? ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്തത് ആരാണ്? എൽഫാണെന്നും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഇരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ എൽഫാണോ? അല്ല. Who did this all homework? Anil only did all this homework. So we learn this lesson. So now we are going to do exercises. You see there, first you write down, open your notebook and write meanings. Meanings. First one, grabbed. You see there, grabbed. 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 It means took suddenly. Took suddenly. T-O-O-K. Took. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. Took suddenly. Second one, elf. It means a tiny person. A tiny person. P-E-R-S-O-N. A tiny person. So you see there, first one is grab. It means took suddenly. Okay, grab, it means took suddenly. The second one is elf. It means a tiny person. A tiny person. First of all, you have to write lesson name. Lesson 4. Who did Anil's homework? After that, you write down one line leave and you write their meanings. Then after writing meanings, you have to leave again. Leave a line. Write down first one, grabbed. It means took suddenly. Took suddenly. T-O-O-K. Took. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. Second one is elf. It means a tiny person. A-T-I-N-Y. Tiny. P-E-R-S-O-N. Person. A tiny person. Okay. Then third one. The third one. Slightly. You see there, third one is slightly. Cunningly. Cunningly. Okay. Slightly means cunningly. C-U-N-N-I-N-G-L-Y. Say once again. C-U-N-N-I-N-G-L-Y. Cunningly. The last one is quietly. Quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Quietly. What, children? Quietly. Quietly means, it means without making noise. Without making noise. Without making noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise. Okay. First one is grabbed. It means took suddenly. Took suddenly. Suddenly means petala. Took suddenly. Then second one is elf. It means a tiny person. a tiny person. Third one, slyly. It means cunningly. Cunningly. The last one is quietly. It means without making noise. Once again, first one is grab. It means took suddenly. Second one, elf. It means a tiny person. Third one, slyly. It means cunningly. Fourth one is quietly. It means without making noise. 4 meanings are enough. Okay, you study only 4 meanings from this lesson. Then you write down V1, V2. V1, V2. V1, V2. The first one, tell. The first one is tell. V2 form is told. Tell means parayuka, alle? Told, paranju. Tell, told. Okay, tell. T-E-L-L, tell. T-O-L-D, told. The next one, do. Do. Cheyuka, right? Then the V2 form is did. D-I-D, did. Okay, first one, tell. Told. T-O-L-D, told. Second one, do. Cheyuka. Chedu. D-I-D, did. The next one, get. Got. Get. G-E-T, get. G-O-T, got. Then play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y-E-D, play. Then fifth one is clean, cleans. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N-E-D, cleans. So these are V2 forms. You see there, the first one is tell. Told. T-O-L-D, told. Second one, do. Did. D-I-D, did. Third one, get. Means kittuga. Play. Got. Kitty. G-O-T, got. Next one, play. Kalikuga. Played. Kalitsu. P-L-A-Y-E-D. The next one is clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N-E-D, cleans. So you should write in your notebook, children. Okay, write in your notebook. Okay, children, you take your 4-line book. 4-line book. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there now. 4 lines are there. Okay, write down. T-E-L-L, tell. T-O-L-D, told. Okay, take one 4-line book and write down. Okay, T-E-L-L, tell. T-O-L-D, told. At that page full, ningal ezhudana keto. Aa page full. Tell, told. Okay, you write in your 4-line book. Okay, our page full out. Children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.